Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily check if your Instagram account is private or professional. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and also make sure to put your like. So, let us get started with you. And first, open the Instagram app on your device, and then go to your profile. And here on your profile, you'll immediately see if you have a private or a professional account. If you have this box here, which is called professional, then you have a professional account. If you don't have it, then you have a private account. But you may not have any question whether your account is private or public. This can also be easily checked. For that, you need to go to these three bars right here. Click on to go to Settings and Privacy. Here you have to scroll down a little bit, where you'll find Account Privacy, and click on that. And as you can see, if you don't have this feature active, which is called private or private account, then your account is public. It's visible to absolutely any Instagram user and your account is not private. If you activate this feature, if you have it active, then your account is private and can only be seen by certain people, such as your friends and only your friends. This is the simple way, friends, you can easily check for your Instagram accounts private or professional. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.